Hello there, beautiful angels. Thank you all for always wanting to keep a date with us. Yes, and if you're new to this channel, viewing this particular video for the first time, we have tons of videos right now on this channel. Yes, this is a channel for hairstyle and fashion right now. Along the line, we'll be including tutorials as well, so we're trying to see how we put that together for you. Yes, tutorial on hairstyle. So right now you're watching one very lovely and unique and craft styles gown look for special occasion, African print designs. These are actually lovely styles for you, and I have lots of videos similar to this one on this channel already. Be sure to go through the channel and find something you may like or you might have missed. Yes, and you just keep a date with us if you're the first time caller or visitor right now. Yes, keep a date with us because we post videos on a daily basis. Don't forget to press the notification bell, yes, for you to get updates whenever we post something online. Lovely gown styles, and I say lovely styles for you to check out. Yes, these are lovely styles, I must say. So